Wheat starch processing machines are equipped with raw material feeding machine and flour machine round sieve horizontal basket centrifugal sieve dryer. The double spiral phase washing machine has a washing capacity of 500千克 750千克 a ton and 2 tons of flour. The wheat starch dewatering machine adopts the platform structure shell and the platform body as one body. The shell cover and the shell adopt flat and quick opening structure shell cover. The mechanical balancer helps the shell cover to set the feeding tube on the shell cover.